purpose of this video is to tell you or to inform you that this thing over here I have actually drawn wrongly. Okay, I shouldn't have said that. Okay, so I'll just try to explain it to you in a more clearer way. Is that this thing over here is the one direction. Alright, well this thing over here is the 3 direction, and this thing over here is the 2 direction. Okay, W1 is at plane 1, so this is plane 1 in the 1 direction. Alright, applied with a 1 direction force, so it's W1 at plane 1 with 1 direction force, so it's W11. Okay, and then W22 is that over here in this area, this plane is in the 2 direction. Alright, it's going in this, it's facing perpendicular to this 2 direction. Alright, and therefore the forces that acting on this perpendicular plane to axis 2 is omega, is not omega, W22. Alright, I hope that this is pretty clear to you. Likewise over here, most likely you will know that this is W33. Okay, so if I were to zoom in into this section, I'm only looking at this particular plane. Alright, I will have a three forces acting. Alright, and this is W11 in the 1 direction, this is W13 in the 1-3 direction, and this is W12 in the 2 direction. Okay, so this is at the particular plane over here. If I am looking at this side, alright, then what do I have? Alright, over here I'll have W at this thing over here is 3, right, perpendicular to plane 3, so therefore this is plane 3 acting in the 1 direction, this is plane 3 acting in the 3 direction, this is plane 3 acting in the 2 direction, you see. Okay, so therefore I hope that this is pretty clear for you. So the forces of, you can say that the forces of U1 is acting on the surface of V1 to some extent. Alright, and the forces of U2 is also acting on the surface of the V1. Okay, so therefore you're talking about something like W11, W12, W12, W13, things like that. Okay, so I hope that this doesn't confuse you, because yeah, I just realized. So see you soon.